In this video, I'm going to show you how to create cinematic AI videos with multi-shot on Google Flow. I'm talking about videos like this. Those videos you watch were created using multiple shots, mostly referred to as multi-shot, which gives you the ability to generate an entire video sequence with just a single prompt. Instead of typing a prompt, waiting, generating another clip, then trying to join them together in a video editor, multi-shot lets you write one single prompt that produces an entire scene with multiple camera angles, consistent characters and location without wasting much time and without burning much credit. In this tutorial, I will show you the 3 ways you can use multi-shot in your video using Google Flow. Now, before I get into it, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that now. What I do here is that I show creators how to make quality AI videos. I reveal all the tools, prompts and tricks you need to make your AI videos attractive to your audience, and I do that here for free. If this is something you are interested in, subscribe and turn on the notification so you won't miss out anytime I drop a new tutorial. Now let's get into today's business. A lot of people think you can only use Screen 3.0 to create a multiple shot video, but you can also do it in Google Flow with the right prompt and trick, and that's exactly what I will show you in this video. First thing first, go to your browser and log into your Google Flow account. If this is your first time of hearing or using it, just go to your browser, search for Google Flow. The first website is usually the right one. Click on it and set up an account. It takes less than 2 minutes. Now that you have access to Google Flow, the very first thing I'm going to show you is how to use a single prompt to generate multiple shots in your video without using any reference image. Creating a multi-shot video with a single prompt and without using any reference image is useful when you are trying to create an AI video where you don't really care about character consistency in the scene. Don't worry, the characters and the scene will stay consistent as the video transition from one angle to another. This is also the foundation of creating prompts for multi-shot video, because if you don't know how to organize your prompts, you might end up confusing the AI video generator. Now let's get into the full tutorial. Okay, so I want to create a short video of 2 lovers, a man and a lady, while on a date at a restaurant. This is the structure of the prompt. The first paragraph here is the description of the overall scene, how the environment looks like, the character in the scene, and the kind of lighting for the entire video. This gives Flow the visual mode before getting into individual shots. I didn't write the prompt myself, and I will tell you how I do that later in this video. The next thing is the character in the scene, a man and a woman, and they are both in their 20s, followed by the breakdown of the shot. Shot 1, camera slowly pushes in on both subjects from a medium to angle shot. Shot 2, close up on woman, over the shoulder from man's side. Shot 3, close up on man, reverse angle, gentle dolly out. If you look at the prompt, there is a pattern you will notice. Each shot has timestamp, camera angles, and the action happening in that moment. Keep each one short to the point, because the simpler and clearer your description, the easier it is for the model to actually deliver what you pictured. The timestamps gives the AI control of when each cut should happen. I'll make sure the setting is on video. Select my aspect ratio and the video duration. This particular video I want to create is a 10 seconds clip. Omni Flash is a perfect model for this kind of video I want to generate, because it can generate up to 10 seconds clip at once. Veo 3 too can create multiple shots, but it can only generate 8 seconds clip, so you will have to adjust the duration in your prompt if you want to use Veo 3 model. I will tap on send to generate, and this is the outcome.
Okay, be honest. Was this a good first date idea, or are you just being polite?
Good.
Good, because I already planned a second one.
This is a good one. It has smooth transition, good camera angles, and perfect color grading. It's like a Hollywood movie scene. You can hardly tell if this was generated with AI. You can also see that the AI maintains character and scene consistency as it transitions from one camera shot to another. Let's move things further by showing you how to make consistent character by using your own reference image. But before then, let me show you how I write the prompt I used to generate the video you watched earlier. ChatGPT created the prompt for me after I gave it my imagination. I told it to give me a 10 seconds multi-shot prompt to create a video of 2 lovers, a man and a woman in their 20s at a restaurant. They were sitting opposite each other as they went on a date. That was what I told ChatGPT, and it provided the entire prompt. If you have dialogue for the scene, you can also add it to the imagination you want to give to ChatGPT. All you need to create your prompt is to explain to ChatGPT, Gemini, or Cloud that you are trying to create a multi-shot video. Tell it the duration and narrate exactly what should happen in the scene. Now let me show you how to use character reference to make a multi-shot video on Flow, because this is the real problem people run into. keeping the same character looking consistent across multiple shots. Without a reference, the AI can quietly shift the face, the hair, the outfit, even the age between one shot and the next. I already have the image of this female character that I want to use. I will upload the image and paste this prompt. The overall description of the scene is a photorealistic cinematic video of a woman in her 30s jogging along a quiet city in early morning. She wears a fitted grey tank top and black leggings, visibly sweating with a realistic sheen on her skin and damp strands of her hair sticking to her forehead. Shot 1 is a wide shot. She jogs directly towards the camera along the edge of the street. Shot 2 is a close-up tracking shot, camera positioned at shoulder height beside her, moving parallel to her pace, capturing her flushed face, sweat beading on her forehead and upper lip as she breathed heavily. Shot 3, a tracking shot from behind, camera at hip height, following her smoothly. Because Flo already knows what the character looks like, the consistency across all 3 shots will be very tight. Check this out. That actually turned out great. See how smooth that was. Now don't panic if your first try isn't perfect. Multi-shot is powerful, but like any AI tool, sometimes it needs a second try before every transition lines up exactly right. From what I've seen, Omni Flash tends to handle multi-shot sequences more consistently, especially when references are involved. There's another cleaner way to generate multi-shot video if consistency is your top priority, and that's with the use of ingredient to video feature. Here you upload 3 to 4 reference images and assign each one with matching shots inside the prompt. Here's how to do it. I will use these 4 images as reference and upload them on Flow, then paste my multi-shot prompt. In the prompt, I assigned each shot to its visual reference so Flow AI can get much clearer guidance in order to get tight consistency and smooth transition between the shots. Shot 1 focus on image 1. The camera slowly pushes in as the Ferrari speeds down the road. Shot 2 on image 2. The man's eyes stayed focused on the road as he slightly adjusts the steering. The man's hand grips the gear knob and shifts it forward decisively, making reference to image 3. Shot 4. The car accelerates directly towards the camera, and here is the result. Before I end this video, here is a bonus tip for you. In this tutorial, I've showed you how to write and structure a prompt for multi-shots. I showed you how to create multi-shot videos using a single prompt, the use of reference image, and with the use of multiple images. Now, in order to get better results, number 1, while writing your prompt, set the scene and style first before you get into individual shots. Number 2, keep each shot to one camera angle and one clear direction. Number 3, use character references anytime the subject shows up across multiple scenes. Number 4, use separate reference images when consistency really matters. And number 5, never judge a prompt with just one generation. Sometimes you get the best results by regenerating the clip second or third time with the exact same prompt. If you watch this video to the end, I appreciate you and at the same time congratulate you as you take a step ahead of learning to be a better AI video creator. If you have any question for me, drop it in the comments. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.